Right. Sige na.
Ano yan? Anong ginagawa mo, Doming? Totoo ba yan? Seryoso ba yan? Doming, Kijay! Rowan, Kijay! Haribol! Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol, 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 Nitay Gora, Haribol, Nitay Gora, Haribol, 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 Nitay Gora, Haribol. Okay. Haribol, Jagannath Prabhu. Wow. So, anong feeling?
Manganganak na ako.
Yun nga yung naisip ko kanina, yung kinakwento sa akin ni Doming eh. Baka manganak to si ano, naisip kong gano'n. Mabigla ka.
Kasi matatapos na yung full moon, kaya...
Oo. So...
Right on time. Parang Miami lang.
Oo. Swagger. Parang champion, no? Eh, feeling, di ba?
Gathering. Gathering.
Dali. Kailangan, focus ko yung holding hands nyo. Hey! Astig! Championship ring. Champion. Ano? Sa harap ni Krishna. Haribol. Palain kayo. Okay, so what we're going to do next, we'll have a little Vedic ritual. So Vaishnavas will give you some blessing for you to have a successful life together as man and wife. You'll have a fruitful life together. And yun, para ma-enrich yung spiritual life nyo together. Okay. So, stick around. Okay? Dali lang kasi kailangan din natin yung mga sponsors. Yan. Okay, ito na. No commercial break. Yan.
Flowers. Okay, please recite after me. We will have, this is a surprise.
Marriage proposal.
Engagement. Okay, so hopefully, magkaroon kayo ng formal wedding legally at saka spiritually. Initially, this is called like parang Gandharva wedding. Gandharva wedding is an informal wedding of the demigods. Okay, you can recite after me. Yad,
Yad.
Etad, Hridayam,
Hidayam.
Tava.
Tama.
Hindi, huwag kayong mag-recite sila.
Ah, hindi pala kami.
Kayo pa kinakalan.
Huwag niyo i-recite baka kayo
Hidayam, Taba. Hindi ka kasali sa mga dalawa.
On the lighter side.
Hidayam, Taba, Tad Astu, Hidayam, Mama, Yadidam, Hidayam, Mama, Tad Astu, Hidayam, Tava. May your heart be mine, and my heart be yours.
Might be yours.
Saman Jantu,
Samantha.
Visve, Deva, Samapo, Didayani, now, Samatariswa, Sandata, Samudri Stri, Dadatunaw. May the divine powers
The divine powers.
know that we too are getting married with great pleasure in our soul and conscience, and that our hearts are in harmony, as one as the waters. May the Prince of Love, the God of relationships, and the God of secrets protect our relationship. So you can exchange your garland. Yung babae, magbibigay ka ng garland sa kanya. Right. So now you can exchange your seat. So we all devotees here are giving blessing to both of you. Maging Krishna conscious kayo, maging spiritual ang inyong life, and yung baby nyo maging blessed. Yeah. Alright, so devotees can get flowers. Okay, get some flowers.
Om.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Puspanjali.
Puspanjali. Om.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Puspanjali.
Puspanjali.
Om.
Om.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Puspanjali.
Puspanjali.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gora, Hari Bol, Nitai Gora, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gora, Hari Bol.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Hari Bol! Yan, Hari
Of
Bol.
course, we advise that you take a legal marriage. Okay? Legal marriage. Pwede nyo kami maging ninaw at inyong magbigay gumawa rito. And then we can perform a formal ritual here.
Legalize.
May mga there's the whole ritual of wedding.
Okay.
Kaya lang medyo may price yun kasi the costing of the ingredients at saka yung feast itself. You can have a reception here also. Vegetables. So we hope that and we wish that you all become Hare Krishna.
Hare
So,
Krishna.
ano ba kaya na yung reception?
Ang galing, record to. 11 minutes and something seconds. Okay. Re-record pa to. Ebidensya to. Okay.
Picture na lang, hindi ko na kaya.
Grabe.
Picture natin yung choir.
So happy for you guys. Really amazing. Experience. Yeah, you're very much welcome. Sige.
Pwede pa kayo yung Rosana. Pakilinis yung mga tapos handarin ko siya doon.
Wow.
Okay na ba? Kaya na maganda ng Brian.
Hare Krishna. Wow.
Saan ka? Sampalo. Tapos nandito. Tayo kayo Sampalo.
Jen, jen, jen. Jen, jen.
Bring your friends. Meron kami parang all-you-can vegetarian.
Wow. This is it.
Try. Kapag nagkasal sila dito dapat
Bawal umatras ha. Walang aatras.
Picture na.
Ah, picture na?